Does insurance cover lymphedema therapy costs? If you're living with breast cancer or managing its side effects, you might wonder if your insurance will help cover the costs of lymphedema therapy. The good news is that in many cases, insurance does provide coverage, but it can vary quite a bit depending on your specific insurance plan and where you live. Most health insurance plans are required to cover lymphedema treatment if it's related to a mastectomy. This is thanks to the Women's Health and Cancer Rights Act, which mandates coverage for complications like lymphedema. This usually includes compression garments like sleeves, elastic bandages, complex decongestive physiotherapy, and lymphedema pumps. These items are considered durable medical equipment, and insurers often cover a set number of compression garments per affected limb, with replacements typically allowed every 6 months or so. However, coverage isn't always complete, so co-pays, co-insurance, and deductibles might still apply. Also, coverage can differ between in-network and out-of-network providers, so it's important to check your specific plan. Medicare, which many breast cancer survivors relying on, has recently improved coverage. Starting January 1, 2024, the Lymphedema Treatment Act requires Medicare to cover standard and custom-fitted compression items prescribed by a healthcare provider. This is a big step forward, making it easier for many to access necessary supplies. Medicaid coverage varies from state to state, so it's a good idea to check with your local Medicaid office to understand what's available in your area. When it comes to private insurance, coverage can be inconsistent. Most insurers do cover conservative treatments like compression garments, manual lymphatic drainage, skin care, and exercise, but they often requiring pre-authorization. About 80% of insurance companies cover pneumatic compression pumps, which are important for managing lymphedema. However, coverage for surgical options like debulking procedures is much less common. Less than 20% of insurers tend to cover these surgeries, and they usually requiring that conservative therapies be tried first. It's also common to encounter denials or limitations. If that happens, don't hesitate to appeal. Many insurance companies end up approving coverage after an appeal, sometimes more than half the time. Working closely with your healthcare provider to get the right prescriptions and documentation can make a big difference. The expansion of Medicare coverage might also encourage private insurers to improve their policies over time. In summary, most breast cancer-related lymphedema treatments are covered by insurance, especially under the Women's Health and Cancer Rights Act and the new Medicare rules. But out-of-pocket costs and coverage for surgical treatments can be more limited. Always review your insurance policy carefully, work with your healthcare team to understand what's needed, and don't be afraid to challenge denials through the appeals process. Staying informed and proactive can help ensure you get the care you need to manage lymphedema effectively. Remember, every insurance plan is different, so it's best to check with your provider for personalized details.